of Chemistry, University of Delhi, I enrolled into hands-on technical workshop in molecular docking. I want to tell you that all the sessions were highly informative, knowledgeable and understandable. I want to thank Sarvari ma'am for being true mentor in this journey. I will definitely incorporate this learning into my research project soon. Thank you so much.
And I have no prior experience regarding the field of bioinformatics, but I was glad to see that our instructor Sarvari ma'am was explaining everything from scratch and was very patient while teaching us. All sessions were carried out very punctually and were very interesting to say the least. Overall, I am glad I decided to attend this workshop and I would highly recommend it to my peers. Thank you.